Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable Touch ID on the Qantas application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the my QFF button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and after that you should tap on this settings button in the upper right corner again. Tap on login preferences, which is the second button, and here you can find the enable Touch ID option that you can turn on. So when it is enabled, you can log in using your fingerprints stored on this device. So tap on this button in the right side, and then when you want to log in, you will be required to use a Touch ID. So you should first of all confirm by adding your Touch ID, and then it will be enabled. If you want to disable it, just come back to this section anytime and turn off by tapping on this button again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.